A lot of people think that starting a poultry farm you need a lot of money, but I have just come with a right answer to that. So if you want to learn more about poultry farming, stay around, just subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell, and that way you may never miss on any of my uploads. So let's stick to the video and let's learn this information. So what I want to tell you is I started a poultry farm 2020. During that time I actually bought just one bird from my mother, which was equivalent to 300 shilling, Kenyan shilling, which is actually $3. I bought it. At that time I didn't know that poultry farming can give me money or can sustain my needs. So I buy it $3. I bought, and then it started reproducing. Just it was the time I realized that poultry farming can be good idea to me. So let me show you how I manage my poultry house. I make sure that my poultry house is very dry. I usually change litter each and every month so that to make it dry and make it good for the bird, because if the litter stays in the poultry house for a long time, it may start producing smell that may affect the respiratory organ of the bird. So I make sure that I remove all the litter after each and every month, and then I make sure that my birds drink clean water, and also I feed them each and every day. I feed them per day with commercial feed, and then I left them out to go and eat outside, some food outside. So one of the biggest mistake I ever made is that thinking birds that doesn't need a lot of care and cleanness. But now I have learned that poultry or chicken needs a lot of care, cleanness, management. So if you are starting your poultry farm, what you need to know is that your birds needs a lot of care and they need a lot of cleanness so that they may give you the right quality of products. So if you want to start learning step by step with me, subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell, and that way you may never miss on any of my upload. That is it, and bye bye guys.